What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to start mining Bitcoins in less than 5 minutes. So the first step to this process is determining what miner or software you're going to use to actually mine Bitcoins. For me, I went through a couple of them and found the best one to be Awesome Miner. And I have it open right here. It's very simple, easy to use. All you need to do, first download it, of course. And I checked it out, and I know other people have used the same software, so I'm not really worried about malicious software, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to download right here the Awesome Miner installer. It's about 13 megabytes, so it's not big at all. Very good to use and very easy and fast. So right here it opened up. It wants to install itself. I'm going to agree to the license agreement. It's free. You don't have to pay anything, so that's really good. Some make you pay for it, or they'll make you mine some Bitcoins. Once you get enough to pay for the software, you have to donate what you mined and what you receive from that to actually buy the license and keep using their software. This one, completely free. So I'm just going to install it. It goes very quickly, very light program. As you saw, only 13 megabytes, so it's not bloated down with a whole bunch of other stuff. And I'm going to verify. And that's it. Install. So now we're going to launch it. And the cool thing about this one is it is actually going by algorithms, however you want to pronounce it, and it finds the best coin to mine. You'll get payout from that, and it'll go straight into your Bitcoins. So for me, I want to do profit sharing. I already have one installed here, so I will actually start a new pool, because pretty much the pools are where you're collecting together to actually do the mining. So I'm going to do a new pool, and I'm going to add one. And it is going to be no. So now that software is installed, we need to actually start to add a new miner. This one was from before, which I will actually remove, and we'll do a brand new one. So the first thing you need to do is actually define the miner. So I'm going to come in over here, and I'm going to say it's going to be a GPU miner, since I'm going to be using the GPU in my rendering or editing rig. As an example, it's a 1070, and I'm going to do a manage miner. That's going to be, it's going to switch from the most profitable coins at the time, Raven, Ethereum, whichever one you choose. It's going to pick the best one. It's going to work on that. And after a while, once it sees that the exchange isn't going to be as good, or your power consumption is a whole bunch of different aspects into that algorithm that uses, it's going to switch that for you. So you're mining at the most profitable settings and coin possible. So I'm just going to call this my miner. It's going to be local. So next we'll click on Manage Profit Miner, and that's just going to be switching from the most profitable at the time. It's going to be in Intel. Oh, not Intel, NVIDIA GPU, since as I said 1070, but if you had a Raytheon or one of the AMD GPUs, you're going to want to use that one. But I have a 1070, so I'm going to go with NVIDIA. I'm going to call it my miner, and that's all to it. And now the last thing I want to check is to make sure my Bitcoin address is at the correct one. I don't want the coins getting sent to somebody else. So this was already set up, but if you want to verify that it is correct, or if you want to change any of your Bitcoin addresses or where you want your profits to be sent to, all you need to do is go to options right here. You go down to profitability switching, and then right here, the manage pool switching for GPU and CPU mining, it has them all right here. Now I have NiceHash enabled, Zpool, mining pool hub, and I think that was it. I did have this one. I wonder why not. But I can put it back on. And from there, all I have to do is click OK, and everything's set up. It is easy as that. So now, to start it, all you need to do is right click on the miner. You only have one right now, but if you have multiple set up, you would have multiple. And you just go to start. New window is going to open up. That's going to be the dredge. That's the one that's actually crunching those Bitcoin numbers and getting you that profit. It's going to be setting up real quick here. And if we wait just 1 second, we got a job. I think that was what, 15, 20 seconds? We got jobs coming in, and in a couple seconds from here, maybe less than a minute, it's actually gonna start crunching those numbers. And there we go. I'll put the number right down here of how long it took exactly to start mining some Bitcoins, but it was that simple. It was from the start, we just installed that software, set it up, make sure you have the correct Bitcoin address, and let it run. As easy as that, you can start mining Bitcoins in your free time. So if you like that, put it down in the comments if you want to see more of it. If you want to ask any questions, I might have the answer. I'm just getting into this myself, doing a little bit of research, but I had a lot of fun doing it, and thank you very much for watching.